Hi kids, welcome back to Color by Mood. Today we are going to learn ABC and we will do the coloring in the pictures. So before starting we are going to learn some colors. This is yellow color. This is purple color. This is green color. This is orange color. This is blue color. This is parrot color. This is red color. This is sky blue color and this is pink color. So we are going to start with red color. This is letter A. Capital A. And this is apple. A for apple. Let's color in apple. In letter B, we are going to use orange color. Capital letter B. B for ball. B for ball. See the next letter with sky blue color. C. Capital letter C. C for cat. C for cat. See the next letter. Letter D. In D we are using yellow color. D. Capital letter D. D for dog. D for dog. See the next letter. Letter E. In E we are using sky blue color. Capital letter E. E for elephant. E for elephant. See the next letter. F. Letter F we are using orange color. This is capital letter F. F for fish. See the next letter. Letter G. In G we are using purple color. G. Capital letter G. G for grapes. G for grapes. See the next letter. Letter H. In H we are using pink color. This is capital letter H. H is for hat. See the next letter. Letter I. In letter I we are using orange color. Capital letter I. I is for ice cream. See the next letter. Letter J. In J we are using red color. Capital letter J. J is for jam. J is for jam. See the next letter. Letter K. In K we are using yellow color. Capital letter K. K is for key. See the next letter. Letter L. In L we are using parrot color. Capital letter L. L is for leaf. L is for leaf. Very good. We have done ABC with pictures. So, read with me. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for duck. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for grapes. H is for hat. I is for ice cream. J is for jam. K is for key. L is for leaf. Very good. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Follow for the more. Bye-bye.